Hello all, welcome back to my channel Tasty Bites. So in this video, we are going to see how to make a delicious pizza. So in this we will be requiring a pizza base and butter and a stove for heating the base. First we need to take the base and grease it with butter. So after greasing the base, we need to switch on the stove. And we need to be oiling the stove also a little bit. And we need to wait for this butter to get heated up little. And just we need to be toasting the part which we put all the vegetables and cheese and sauce and other stuff we prefer and toast it. Wait for some time and then toast. Now our pan is steaming hot and we need to be putting the pizza base aside which is greased on top of the pan. And just wait for a few seconds, 2 to 3 seconds. Wait and remove it and put it on top of our thing. And as you can see, it's like roasted in a few parts. And now I have brought the pizza on the table where I have all most of the vegetables. I don't like olive preferably, so I have not got it. But you can add any vegetables you want like mushroom, olives, etc. Or yeah, you can add any vegetables. So this is a mixture of oregano, salt and spices. This is mozzarella cheese and this is the pizza sauce. So now we need to take the pizza sauce and spread it on the side it is roasted. Spread it evenly on all sides and the corners, even in the center, everywhere. Yeah, so we'll be requiring more sauce for this. We need to spread the sauce. And on top of this, we need to be after spreading the sauce, we need to be putting all the vegetables. Like the vegetables should come in each and every bite, so we need to organize it properly in a proper way. So first for this pizza, I'm putting capsicum. It should be also there in every bite. So in the center also we need to be putting a few capsicum slices. Yeah, then on top of capsicum we can be putting tomato. Yeah, so on top of this later. Yeah, so after putting tomato, we can be putting onion slices. After the onion, we can be putting corn, and then we need to be putting the spices. If not, the pizza won't be complete if we don't put the slices and spices. So now I am putting the corn. And so after putting the corn, we need to be putting in the spices. Yeah. So this much spices is enough, if not it will become too spicy. Then our mozzarella cheese or any cheese would be fine, but pizza cheese or mozzarella cheese will be best for a pizza. So after putting the cheese, we need to be baking this in the oven. Now we need to take the pizza to a preheated oven of 180 degrees and place the pizza inside. And this should be kept inside the oven for about 2 to 3 minutes. That would be doing for. Now we need to keep the pizza inside for about 2 to 3 minutes, then the pizza will be ready. I'll meet you in a fraction of a second. Now after 2 minutes our pizza will be ready. So we need to take it out. take it out. And now we need to be cutting it with the help of a cutter, or a knife would be fine. Now, and our pizza is completely ready and we can be enjoying it with some sauce.